Guys, Spool and Boost here, and today I'm working on Minimax. And you ever use clay? Stuff that is like this. Mother's instant detailer. I bought this box of clay, and you ever grab like a sandwich bag? And basically, you grab a sandwich bag like this. You'll feel all the impurities. And so what I do is I spray this instant detailer right all across the door. And like, let me show you here in the box. Or actually right here in the corner. You can see, I don't know the camera will catch this, but you can see all the orange spot right there. Gone. See all those little orange dots? Look at that. It takes all the, this is literally all you do. You want to make your paint look really nice. Like right now I have a lot of black dots all over. I was running on, basically look right there. See that? Look at that. I can get it to, you know, just stuff like that. And this is kind of like, you know, it's the lube detailer, I call it. And look how much stuff you got already off. That's what sucks about clay, is you can just keep turning it over and stuff. But what sucks about it is you have to keep turning it, and you can never have enough clay. And I only noticed this like on this white truck, you know, all the impurities and stuff. Like you can, I don't know if you can see that. But anyhow, it would be the tip of the day. And that's basically what I do. This, and rub the whole side down with this to get all the impurities off. And then I use this rubbing compound, and then I use a polish compound on top of it, and then it'll look like glass. Pretty cool. I mean, I'm not perfect, I'm not a paint body guy, but you know, I'm, like I say, I just do it because it works. And so here's what I use. See, like it says right there, rough, smooth. They're not kidding. When you take a sandwich deal, like any plastic bag, kind of like even a garbage bag like this, you can literally put your hand in it and go like this. You're like, oh gosh, it's rough right there. You can't even tell. But like if I go back here and I can feel the door, it's smooth, very smooth. I can tell. See, like I haven't rubbed this part here. It's very smooth, and it feels really rocky. So, figure I'd give you guys a tip on, you know, you have a white truck and you want to take all the impurities off of it. You don't want to polish it. You just want to, you know, you just want to use clay. You can do that. And when I use the clay, you know, and I wash the truck, I put it on there, and then I go to wash it. Like if I ever have a rainy day, and the next day it's like this, I wash it, and it'll literally be clean. Other than my wheels, of course, but you know, I just wanted to show that little tip and trick for you guys if nobody knew. You know, just a little bit more in depth of me playing with what does better, what cleans perfect, what doesn't. Now, if this truck was black, that'd be a different scenario. You probably would have to do a lot more polishing. But anyhow, yeah, there's that. So, all right, catch you on the next one.